To the new video of wFixing today. So we are going to solve the problem that DVDs won't play on Windows 10, or you are facing problems while playing DVDs on your Windows 10. Okay. So for that guys, what we have to do is sorry for that, but I don't have a DVD in my laptop, so I will not able to show you, but I will show you the solutions step by step manner that you can implement in your PC. Okay. So first fix is install a third party DVD player. So for that solution, you can apply that Microsoft has removed the built-in support for video DVD playing in Windows 10. Okay, so therefore DVD playback is more troublesome on Windows 10 than the previous versions. So Microsoft has published a new DVD player to fill this vacancy, but it receives low rating due to some serious errors. Okay. So I recommend you to use VLC player, a free third party player with DVD support integrated. So what you have to do is just go to VLC. Okay, so you can see here the VLC media player. You have to download it. Okay, and you can download it and you can play the DVDs from here. If you go to here, you will see regularly bring this official download VLC player. So you can see here we have our window in front of us, that is download VLC. So just click on that and it's you can select Windows 64-bit upon your PC's configuration and just download and try to play that. Our next solution is check your DVD drive, guys. So for that what we will do is we have to go to in our device manager first. So I will right click on Windows icon. So you can see here after right clicking we can see the menu. Then after I will click on device manager. So it will open our device manager now for PC. Then stay here. Then what we have to do is we have to select DVD/CD-ROM drives. Okay, so it's not showing here because I don't have a DVD player in my PC. But if you see the DVD player, then what you have to do is what you have to select DVD/CD-ROM drives. So after display adapters you will see that. Okay, then just expand that. I am giving an example how to do that because I don't have the DVD. Then after in that DVD you will see HLDTST DVD RAM. Then what you have to do, if this is HL DVD RAM, then right click on the properties, click on details, then drivers, and update the driver. So you will see here how do you want to search for drivers, search automatically for drivers. So it's showing here the base drivers for your devices already installed. So you have to do the same procedure, okay, for CD/DVD drive which shows up in your PC. Okay, so this was our second solution, guys. Then next solution is what we have to do is reinstall or update your driver. If you try to update, then it will, if it not succeed, then you have to reinstall that driver. Okay, so that is one of the solutions, guys. Then next what we can do is we have to open a command prompt. So for that what I will do is I will open my command prompt. Just type here command prompt. If you don't know where is your command prompt, then you don't have to open directly. You have to right click on the run as administrator. Okay, then yes, then you can see here our administrator command prompt is ready. Then in that command prompt you have to follow some commands. Okay, then what you have to do is you have to type reg.exe add. I will type reg.exe add, enter. So here are enabled syntax. So why it's showing me here, because I don't have the regexe for the DVD. Okay, so what I will run is, here you have to run only one command that will absolutely solve your problem. What you have to run is, you have to run sfc space / scan now. Okay, so sorry, I haven't typed here the slash, so you have to type here the sfc space / scan now. You can see here in front of us there is a sfc scan now command. So what it will do, it will clean your all PC's viruses and all the fixes, and it will fix your DVD issue if you haven't fixed with the previous two solutions. Okay, if the previous two solutions doesn't work for you, then you can go with this third, and we have some finite solutions to fix this issue. Okay, so run this sfc scan now. So it will show here beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification, phase of system scan, verification 3% complete. Okay, so you have to wait until it's 100% complete done. Okay, so based upon your PC's configuration, if you have a greater RAM, then it will complete in very few time, as it's running on my PC. And if you don't have, then it will take a time, but it will be done. Okay, so don't worry about that. So first is, after that what we have to do is, so I will stop this because I don't want to verify my PC. My PC is currently working very fine. So for that, for showing you only, I was opening that command prompt. So I will close this. Again, what we have to do is, we have to right click on Windows icon. Then what we will open, okay, what we will open is, we are going to device manager here. So not the device manager, we are going to right click on that, task manager. Okay, then we are opening the task manager. Here you will see which tasks are going on. So if you see here, your DVD/CD is running, then you have to stop it from here. So how you will do that? So for that, what you will do is, if you see the Google Chrome, then what I will do is simply click on this and click on end task. Okay, so you have to do similar with the CD/DVD. Okay, then just click on end task and it will solve your problem, and then open again your CD drive. Okay, so that was our solutions, guys. Hope you find your solution. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.